Taking a look at the trading week beginning February 3rd, non-farm payrolls are being released on Friday. This is for the month of January, and they are expected about plus 207,000 jobs, or 207,000 jobs added to the payrolls, with the unemployment rate expected to rise to 4.2%, but that could change early in the week, so keep an eye on the estimates and keep an eye on ADP. Also, for anyone who's watching this, the January effect is in full swing as we close out the month of January on a positive number on a percentage basis in all four major stock indices in the U.S. Yields fell a little bit, mostly in the center of the curve. 5-year and 10-year both down about 11 points, 30-year down about 9 basis points. So we sit with the 10-year at about 452, not a really dramatic change. The volatility in treasuries seems to have dropped quite a bit. We do have a Bank of England central bank meeting or a rate decision, and they are widely expected to cut interest rates by 25 basis points. That would basically lead the Federal Reserve to be the only major central bank, the ones we look at every single week, that didn't cut rates this past week. Now, looking ahead at earnings and data, we've got a lot of Fed speak coming this week, including Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, Fed Governors Michelle Bowman and Christopher Waller, along with Andrew Bailey, obviously after the rate decision. He's from the Bank of England, and ECB President Christine Lagarde. This week, in terms of earnings, we have 391 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including a full 26% of the S&P 500. Now, the big names, the market-moving stocks that are reporting earnings include Alphabet, Amazon, Walt Disney, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, Merck, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Amgen, Boston Scientific, Bristol Myers Squibb, also Qualcomm, Palantir, ARM Holdings, MicroStrategy, Uber, Spotify, PayPal, and then Honeywell, Chipotle, PepsiCo, and then many more. In terms of data, Sunday night, China's Caixin Manufacturing PMI. Monday, we get PMI figures from Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US, along with EU inflation figures. Tuesday, factory orders and the JOLTS jobs figures in the US. Wednesday, services PMI from those same countries that I just mentioned, Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US, along with ADP private payrolls data. Thursday, a rate decision in the UK from the Bank of England, jobless claims and unit labor costs in the US. And then Friday, the payrolls data I already talked about, plus Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations in the US.